Have you ever dreamed of having your own treehouse, a place where you can relax, reconnect with nature, or even spend quality time with family? Well, today, I'm going to take you through my experience of building a treehouse step by step and share an honest review of the entire process. What worked well, what challenges I faced, and what you should keep in mind if you're planning to build one yourself. When I first started, the most important part was choosing the right tree. You need a strong, healthy tree. Oak, maple, or fir are usually good choices. Avoid weak or hollow trees because they can compromise the stability of the whole structure. Once I had my tree, I planned the layout. The key is to keep it simple but sturdy, especially if this is your first build. I used pressure-treated wood for durability and weather resistance, and trust me, investing in quality materials is worth it in the long run. The next step was creating a strong foundation. I used bolts instead of nails for extra strength, since the tree will continue to grow and expand. This is something many beginners overlook, but it makes a huge difference in both safety and longevity. For the platform, I made sure it was level and balanced, double-checking with a spirit level to avoid tilt. Once the base was set, I moved on to framing the walls and roof. Here's my review. Pre-built panels or kits can save you a lot of time if you're not confident with measurements. But if you enjoy DIY, building from scratch gives you full control over design. One of my favorite parts was adding finishing touches. A ladder, a rope swing, and even some fairy lights to give it that cozy vibe at night. If you're planning for kids, safety rails are a must. And don't forget to sand down any sharp edges. My biggest learning was patience. Building a treehouse isn't a one-day project. It takes time, planning, and attention to detail. But the end result is worth it. It's not just a structure, it becomes a memory-making spot for you and your loved ones. So, my overall review? Building a treehouse is challenging but rewarding. If you're someone who enjoys hands-on projects and wants to create something meaningful, I highly recommend giving it a try. Want to build your own dream treehouse? I've listed my recommended tools, building kit options, and safety tips in the pinned comment below. Check it out before you start your project.